Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to make a embed that will be sent if someone joins your Discord server. First open your starter.bat file, then type in slappy generate an event. That has to be the guild members add event. Then we're going to type in code dot. Go to there. Going to console Discord. Then we're going to set our welcome channel. And our channel is called welcome. I'm going to set the log channel. This one is going to be set by ID. You can choose with name or ID. I'm going to do both for you, that you know how it works. Log channel. Going to set the embed. Oh no. Rule channel. Going to set the rule channel first, because that's easy. Now going to set the embed. Set the title. Welcome member user attack to the member.guild.name Discord server. Set description. Please read the rules. The rule channel. New line. Please invite all your friends and family. New line. Then we're going to make a invite that will never expire and put it there. Going to set a thumbnail. Remember that user.display avatar URL. Oh, why did I do this? Nobody needs this. Set a color. I want orange. Set a footer. Member.user.tag. Member.user.display avatar URL. This footer will be the tag of the user that is joining and the profile picture of the avatar, or avatar, how you want to call it, of the person that is joining. So then we're going to set a timestamp. Going to await welcome channel dot send welcome embed. This means that it will send this welcome embed in the welcome channel that we set up here. Catch error function, or error function of how you want to call this. Console.log error dot then log channel send error. If I write it has to send the error into this beautiful log channel. If I'm not right, you can do this. There is an error because it won't send. You can do something like that, but I'm going to stick with it. With this, you have to go to your Discord applications and you're going to the bot, and you enable this too, otherwise it won't send for some reason. You have to turn on the bot by doing npm run dev. Copy this, go into your alt and join the server. Then it has to send it. Welcome your Discord name and tag to your server name, Discord server. Please read the rules in the rules channel. Okay, you can click on it. Please invite all your friends and family. The link you provided, your player avatar or user avatar, name and tag, the avatar, and the timestamp. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. And I'm gonna say bye.